Yeah, adults have some toys.
No,
They don't?
they only have phones and wallets. She does wallet. I want to be a kid forever. I just want to play with toys. I want to be a donut.
You want to be a grown-up?
So I want to be taller than you. I want to be a kid forever. You'll be donut and donut, then you'll be a big kid. And then you'll be a dog.
And then you'll be a dog, an adult. You're going to be an adult someday. You're both going to be adults. Someday. Not too long from now.
I want to be a dog.
Well, being a kid is awful good, especially when you have a good home.
I want to be a dog.
Adults can play with toys.
No.
Yeah, adults have some toys.
No.
They don't?
They only have phones and wallets.
Phones and wallets.
They buy toys for you. No, they don't have toy phones. They just have regular phones. Yeah, but they buy toys for you.